A very good evening once again, guys, for everyone. So we need to discuss about BA. BA means everyone will know what is BA, but I need to make a full form, guys, with small difference. We need to call it as what? Business Analytics team. Why I call it as analytics? There is a reason, guys. People have a bit confusion about the difference between analyst and analytics. So later we may discuss. Today I'll give you briefly about what is the difference. What is the difference? So business analyst is a designation name of a job. So business analytics is what we are doing, call it as work. Call it as work. So in other words, so business analyst is a name, just to call it as what? Noun. Just to call it as noun. Business analyst. Business analytics is a verb. We are doing something. We are doing something. So that is called as business analytics. So we need to learn analytics. After applying analytics, you got a job called business analyst. So whatever you want to do after become a business analyst is nothing but analytics you need to do. So that is a small difference. And so what is BA? I call it as simple. And who will become BA? Why companies recruit BA? Everything we will discuss in detail. Okay. And after joining in a company, what BA need to do? And career of business analyst. If you start your career as business analyst, what is the future of it? We will discuss. And finally, we'll go for what? Q&A session. Let's come from first phase. What is B or who will become B or why companies recruit B? Let's consider any company, guys, need to maintain their data. Yes or no? In online only maximum they maintain. Based on that, they will take a decision. I'll give you a live example also. Do anyone have an idea about KFC? Very good example for you. Everyone may have an idea. What is the best day to go and eat KFC to get maximum discount, guys? Out of all 7 days?
I guess Wednesday.
Yes, very good. Who said Wednesday? Raj, right?
Yes.
Yes, good. Wednesday is the best day, guys. Why maximum people will choose Wednesday? Because they will give you offers. The main reason is after they understand the data of many days, so they will share the data to one analyst. They will figure out that Wednesday the sales are low. So they start issuing some offers and discounts. So immediately the sales are high. The logic behind it is Wednesday is exactly midweek, guys. Exactly midweek. So Saturday and Sunday, no need of any discounts because it is a weekend. Maximum people want to go outside, watch movies or go for restaurants, KFCs. Anyway, they will get business. That is the reason not only KFC, any company, if you observe, any mart, Saturday and Sunday, there is very less number of offers and discounts, guys. But Monday, immediately weekend. If people enjoyed on weekend, Monday, Tuesday, they didn't prefer. Even if you offer discount also, the weekend they already went. So again, they are not ready to spend. It is a middle class mindset. So next is Wednesday. If except Wednesday, if you provide an offers on Thursday and Friday, immediately weekend will come, Saturday and Sunday. So what people will think? There is a simple mindset. Okay, wait for one more day. If you plan on Thursday, wait for one more day, weekend will come. So instead of that, they will choose midweek. Then they are getting good business. So who want to save money? As many people want to save at least 10 rupees discount or 5 rupees coupon, people ready to be happy. So they are doing that. So how things happened based on analyzation of data. So business is one word, analyst is the another word, guys. So analyst means analyze the data. Who analyze the data is called as analyst. Who analyze the data is called as analyst. The analyzation of data may be anything, guys. Past sales, future sales, or expected sales, anything. But what happened in the business? Who are dealing with business data? Business data analyzation is called as business analytics. Okay. And this is not only the work, guys. They have n number of works. Maybe let us say an e-commerce store called what? Amazon. So if you enter into Amazon, what is the first page it display, guys? All products they will display. How these products will appear? Category wise. So what is kitchenware? What is furniture? What is dress material, electronics, mobiles, laptops? All are separated into sections. Why? Because users feel comfort. So who will design all of the opportunities, all of the sections, names, how it look like for better value is designed by one of the B. And moreover, is login required to enter and to search for a product in any e-commerce store? No. But if it is a mobile banking, definitely you need to log in. What is the difference? It is a financial related mobile banking. There are some restrictions. And here people need to search first. If they given login option, maximum people don't have interest to search for a product because login is required. Why we need to create account unnecessarily, so on. But if they are giving for free of cost without any credentials, they can use it first. And at the time of payment, then they are asking for login credentials. So how the pattern will move one step to another step is designed by BAs. So every project start with BA, end with BA, guys. Remember, even I'll tell you project life cycle also. Better to have an idea, guys. Every IT people need to have an idea. Project life cycle. Any project, if it start, how it will end. So first, how it will start? A client, maybe anyone. If I want to start an e-commerce store, just like a Flipkart or Myntra, so on. A client will directly meet who? One IT company. But is that IT company ready to provide? If you go and meet any TCS CEO directly will come and interact with you. No. What they will do, if you approach one company, they will assign one BA to you. See what company will do? Assign one business analyst. So the client directly interact with who? Business analyst. Even many developers have a lot of interest to meet clients, guys. But business analysts directly have a connection between client and developers and a testing team. Every team, the business analyst with having a connection. I will tell you the reason also. So client directly assign BA. What here BA will do? Here BA meet with client. So what here BA will do? So BA collect requirements of their project. It may be website or it may be Android application or anything. They will collect all details. Let's say an example. It is a hospital management system. So what are the functions need to involve here? One page for doctor, one page for nurse, one page for nurse, and one more page for lab technicians, lab reports, everyone, and patient. So these are the 4 minimum pages they need to create, and they need to give a connection also. How they need to provide a connection, guys? So the doctor easily communicate with who? Doctor need to communicate with nurse, and they want to know about their details. And one more connection also required. Doctor need to get lab team records also because they need to analyze patients. And they need to establish one more connection. Same doctor and patient also need to connect. So if you visit any doctor, by entering your patient ID or mobile number, they will get all your records. No need to carry reports nowadays. So if they enter your number, automatically all records will come. Then doctor immediately take a decision. So lab report and doctor have a common connection. Then whatever the reports you have, blood report or urine test or any test, if no need to wait for reports of hard copy, visit doctor again. If they upload a soft copy by entering your details, doctor immediately access it. Even now, many hospitals in Hyderabad are also following it because to save time, no need to wait for records. Okay, automatically access. If you visit after 10 days or 15 days for another review, automatically your records will be stored. So then it will save time. Okay, now. So this type of management. And what are the options need to involve here? Doctor need to book an appointment. What is his specialization? And on which days he is available. For example, every doctor may not available Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday. So some doctors will have a special visit on Tuesday or Wednesday, Friday and Monday. Just like even our railways also, guys. So every train not available in whole 7 days. Few trains will run only Tuesday, few trains will run on only Friday, like that. So based on that, you need to select. If patient need to book an appointment, so and so day, if we select whether doctor is available or not. If available, what is the timing? Every option required. How they need access this like this? You need to discuss with who? Company required with client. This client, we call it as another word called what? Stakeholders. Some technical term, guys. In a simple words, who involved in the project are called as stakeholders. So in detail, we may discuss later. So be meet with stakeholders and collect all the requirements. This is your first part. For that, what you people need to do? Requirement collection. Or we call another word called what? Requirement gathering. For this, BA need to use some tools also, guys. That also we need to learn. If you collect in a note, if you copy in your notebook, we using pen and paper, who will understand? Nowadays, all you need to make in a digitalization form. So what are the tools required for this? So MS Word, you people can use, or Google Docs, Google version of just like Word, or another tool called Confluence. Maximum technical people will use a software called Confluence. So just add all your requirements in a document form. Going forward, this requirement is also multiple varieties, guys. They call it as what? BRD, FRD, SRS, and so on. So what is that systems? Why we call that? How to make that type of documents? Everything we will learn in upcoming classes. Next, after entering these details in a requirement form, what BA need to do? Here again, BA second work. This is BA work. So first step is what? Requirement gathering. After you gather the requirement, need to make documentation after clarifying with them. Second work, all documents are create UML. Not all documents which are possible. We need to create UML diagrams or flowcharts or someone may call it as wireframes or mockups we need to create. So how you need to create this also having a tools, guys. What is flowchart? I will show you a sample example. For example, you want to log in a Facebook. What is the process, guys? Yeah. Enter Facebook website. And then if you have an account, it's okay. If you don't have an account, you need to create it. Let's assume you have a login account only. Then what is your second step? Login. After login, what you people need to do? Post any text or video format. After you post something, then if you want to sign out, you can sign out. This is the process. And you need to create with the type of images. Login, post any text or video, then sign. Step-by-step approach. So you need to indicate with what? Arrow marks. But you no need to draw like this. There are default tools available for this. Just like drag and drop, you can complete everything. For example, here login, they have a problem. So login. Again, they need to provide how many options? 2 options. What is that? With mobile number or with email ID. They are providing 2 options. So if they may follow anything, guys, is it possible? Is it necessary to follow anyone? No. They may follow anyone. After that also what happens? Again, they can post a video or text anything, sign up. So this type of links we need to arrange. So always don't go for squares. Sometimes we go for oval shape. Sometimes we'll go with this type of squares or parallelogram. Why we need to select that? And sometimes you need to add a timer. For example, it is a mobile bank application. If you enter wrong password, will you open it again immediately? No, they will ask to wait for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Then only they will resend OTP, something. If you enter 3 times wrong password, what happens? Your mobile banking or internet banking is closed for 24 hours. So after 24 hours only, you need to try. Okay, how this can be happened, where it can stuck, where you need to wait, how much time you need to wait, all you need to discuss with stakeholders. You need to create this type of UML diagrams and document, then you hand over it to developers. So if everything is perfect, then only developers will enter into the picture. See, create UML diagrams, mockups and frameworks. After that, what you people need to do? UMLs are flowchart creation. Then you need to share it for who? Developers. Here developers will enter into the picture of any project lifecycle, guys. So to create this UML diagrams, also we need to follow some tools. So Microsoft version MS Visio we can use, or we can use a tool called draw.io or Lucid Charts. This type of tools we may use to create our flowcharts, wireframes and markups, even pencil. This type of tools are there. All are drag and drop only, no need of any coding, guys. Remember, complete BA is no coding job. You will note down here also. No coding. Whatever you use the tools, coding is not at all required. So all are tool-based work. After creation of this UMLs and everything, you need to share with who? Developers. So share all with developers. After developers did some work, what is the next step you need to do? You no need to do anything. Then testing team will involve here. So if testing team also do that work, your work is in these 2 stages, guys. developers and testing phase. Your work is to guide developers, software engineers who are developers. They have any doubt, you need to clarify them. Testing team, they have any doubts or questions, you need to clarify them. So developers, and if developing is done, testing phase. So testing team will work. In these two phases, your work is to guide them. I'm writing here. So 3 and 4 stages or phases. BA need to guide developers or testers if they have any queries or any questions or doubts. Not about coding, guys. Sir, if they ask Java or Python, what I need to do, you no need to worry. What we need to take a decision, they will ask you, you need to guide. Okay, why? Because you are the person who have a direct connection with who? Client. Okay, after testing is also done, then we called another phase called UAT. UAT means user acceptance test. That means, for example, if you are using a WhatsApp, if they want to introduce a new feature, directly they will release for all of us? No. First, even tester team will done very well, but you need to cross check. That is called as UAT. So if you are the end user, how you feel, how you understand, is everything according to client discussion or not? Because initially, who is involved in the meeting, BA involved in the meeting. So whether all are perfect or not, according to client expectation, you need to check. If everything is done, then you need to submit to who? Client. Submit to client. So in this phases, you need to understand, guys. So starting phase, your involvement is there. Ending phase also, your involvement is there. Meanwhile, your work is just to monitor them. If they have any doubts, you need to guide them. So in this first phase and last phase, you need to work. Okay, no? And how you will become BA, you need to learn all these tools, but we need to go for an extra edge also. See, this is project life cycle. Why companies recruit BA? I think you have your answer for this question also. If a project directly start, you can't share with the developers. And there is definitely one person who need to discuss with stakeholders, and they need to make documents, and he need to make UML diagrams, then share it to developers. And here, most important point, few advantages, guys. What is that? I'll write here. One is no coding work. And second one, AI will not replace this role. In future, if Java, Python, any person may worry about their jobs, but especially BA can't replace this role completely. But AI will help you to make documents. If you are spending 2 hours, it can finish in 2-3 minutes. So like that, you can utilize AI. That is also I cover. So that's why course title, what I call is Business Analytics with AI only. Nowadays, who are not learning AI may not survive, guys. Why? Because AI will become a part of every skill. So AI completely can't do anything. But whatever you are doing, AI will help you to finish in a perfect way and to finish it in very short span of time. So you need to utilize it. Where you can utilize to make a documentation or UML diagrams or to make any documentation, AI will help you. So you need to follow that. Okay. And what is the eligibility criteria? to become business analyst. So there is no predefined eligibility criteria, guys. Freshers or experienced people. And no percentage criteria. And don't have any branch, which branch you are studying. No branch criteria also. So if you are studying CSC or ECE or civil engineering, anything, anyone guys, any graduate, in a simple words, what I will call any graduate or postgraduate, or who want to switch their domain. Non-IT to IT also. This is the best option, guys. Why? Because if you mentioned you are from non-IT also, they didn't say anything. Why? So here what plays a major role is nothing but your involvement is there. So communication. So what are the skills required? So first one, communication. So communication means don't think you should be proficient in English, studied in Oxford University. You are not going to teach as a English professor, guys. You need to convey the information in an understanding way. That is nothing but communication. Okay. So I'm giving a weightage of 50% weightage, guys. So communication skills is nothing but convey the information. For example, if you watch Coolie movie, if your friend asks, sir, what is the story? Will you explain or not? Yes, that is nothing but you have a communication. But you need to use basic English vocabulary to understand opposite person. That's it. And as a fresher, no need to much worry about this part also, guys. Because every project, how many BS may involve? Let's say an example, this is project life cycle. And here, project team. Just an sample I am telling you. There are 3 senior business analysts, 2 junior business analysts, product owner, PO called as product owner will involve, project manager, 5 developers, let's say 15 developers, 5 testers will be involved in the team. So who will take care of everything? Mainly, who will take care? Product owner will take care about these guys as a initial stage. Who is called as product owner? Senior most business analyst. So you are work as a junior business analyst. So junior business analyst to senior business analyst, then you will become product owner. Is the first phase of a project. Okay, now? So your team is involved like this. Okay, so you no need to worry. Senior BS will handle everything. Then if you are going with an experience, you can also handle it. But this plays an important role. And tools. What are the tools you need to learn? I already told you, few tools are very important for you. You need to make what? Documentation. For documentation, you can go with MS Word or Google Docs or Confluence, so on. So you can make a documentation, or even still now some people go for Notepad also. But better to use some of the professional where you can add images or in a better way, images or tables and everything. And after that, UML or flowcharts you need to create. So you need to know about MS Visio or Draw.io. or lucid charts, so on. So if you have one knowledge, that is enough. And next one, all this project management tool. If you have an idea, that is enough, guys. All this project, for example, these many peoples are involved, how you can manage? Maybe all are in Hyderabad, or some people Bangalore, Hyderabad, some are in Chennai. How you can gather everything? What is the work done by each and every person? How you can monitor? You can't monitor easily. That is the reason you need to know about a project management tool called JIRA, or they will use Trello, so on. So websites they will use tools. These all are under project management tool. If you have an idea about one, that is more than enough. So everything is similar options, just like how you are using Facebook and Instagram or WhatsApp and Telegram, like that. So no need to take much tense about this. Some of the additional tools I want to teach for my students, guys, because you need to do sometimes analytics. Generally, what business analyst will do will need to depend on developers. If they have any query or any problem in Excel to do any basic formulas, if business analysts don't have an idea, some developers help he will take. So till developers comes and do that work, your work is paid. That's why what companies will do is they will add a word, guys. How they will add a word? In job description itself. So who have knowledge about Excel or basic SQL will be an advantage. What is the meaning of it, guys? So they are not mandatory skills, but you attended for an interview. I attended for an interview. I didn't have a skills called Excel and SQL, but you added that in your resume. You have a basic knowledge. Both are performed in a same manner. So who have priority? Definitely you have the priority, because you no need to depend on developers. Because when AI comes into the picture, people lose their jobs. But who are losing jobs? Who are not having enough skills or who don't know how to utilize AI. If a person have a knowledge about AI and knowledge about business analyst, and no need to depend on developers to do basic analytics about SQL and Excel, definitely no company will lose that person, because he's a multi-talented. Multiple skills if you have in your hands, no need to worry about the job. That too, especially the role of BA. Why? Because AI can't completely replace it. So analytics point of view, what we discuss, Excel and SQL also we discuss, guys. What BA need a basic, but beyond that we will discuss about these tools also. Okay, na? And I want to take one more extra edge also, guys. What is that? People can do this, and you want to make a report. Excel can make a report. I want to take a one workshop on what? How the project based on UAT testing and Power BI reporting also. I will take a take a workshop. Not about complete knowledge, guys. Completely Power BI, you are not going as a Power BI developer. But if they share any data, how to represent in Power BI, how to access, how to create visuals, that all we discuss. Because if any one person have this type of skills, definitely they will call you for interview. No need to lose your job. My students always should be in the first list of the shortlisted candidates. That is the reason I will introduce these also. Okay, now in UAT testing also practically we discuss Power BI reporting, how to start and how to add visualizations, what are the functions are there, everything we discuss. Okay, these all are under our discussion. Then along with this, what we will go for? Weekends, we'll go for exam or tasks. So if it is a practical work, I will share you in the form of a task, or if it is a theoretical, I will share you in the form of an exam. Anything. But this is not like a school age. I never correct, I never give you marks, I never give you progress report, parent signature. I didn't ask anything, guys. So what I need to do is questions, and after 1 or 2 days, I will give you answers and explanation of everything. But still, if you have any doubt, you people can ask me. There is no problem. You can interact with me always. So any doubts, clarification, always your first priority. You can ask me, no problem. But few people may not ask doubts. But that is the reason I will do explanation of everything. Okay, now this all I involved in the course. So course, how it will do. It will run in a module wise, guys. So basics of business analyst. What business analysts need? Basics and words to finally a report made by me. So how to make reports? So complete basics of BA2 documentation and report creation. Everything is involved in the course, and we designed for Monday to Friday. You have a regular classes, guys. And timings. So as many people are working, we are going with 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. And duration of the course, 2 to 2.5 months it will take, guys. I'm not ready to close in a hurry like a 1 month or 15 days. No. So I need to cover each and every point. So 2 to 2.5 months we need to discuss. So batch start date also from tomorrow. 10 September. Morning 7:30 to 8:30. You can attend another two free classes also, guys. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow also you can attend two classes. Then you can take a decision. Now I told you, sir, is it really AI can't replace this job? I said, but it is correct or not? Let's work. Even I'll take a help of ChatGPT AI tool. Just now I am opening. See, will AI replace business analyst role in future? Not now. I am asking in future also. See, AI is unlikely to fully replace the business analyst role. If anyone want to take a decision, you people need to take a decision and need to join in a job where you can survive at least another 10 years. But I have my friends who are working in IT as a developing team. Still, they are worrying about every day. What happens, they don't know. So, but I don't have any tension, guys. With a lot of relax, I am doing my sleep because I no need to worry about it. See, what AI can do or automate in the BA. Data collection and cleaning, it may do automate. Reporting and gather dashboards. Pattern recognition. Natural language processing, NLP. Predictive analysis. Process automation. This may do, but see, what AI can't fully replace it. Stakeholder communication. If you need to involve and discuss with others, each and every person mindset is different. How can it will be automated by AI? So, for example, what is your favorite sweets? So it is different. What is my favorite sweets? It is different. Who is your favorite hero? Different. My favorite hero different. So I want to build a website in my own style, according to my thoughts. So it can't replace by AI. Contextual understanding. What is required? AI can't understand. Present human mindset. What are the options need to introduce? Which is better way? No. Change management or critical thinking, innovation strategy, it can't do. Future outlook for BS. See, manual reporting. AI will impact. Automate and focus on interpretation. So BA work will reduce, but BA will not reduce. Requirement gathering, moderate, because all requirements not done by AI. Because we need to involve with a person where communication involve AI can't replace, guys. It is fixed. Stakeholder management, very low impact. Data analysis, who want to become a data analyst, high impact. I am not telling AI will is displaying this information. Learn to work alongside AI and ML tools. Present artificial intelligence or machine learning tools are there. This will be replaced. For what? Data analysis. But strategic decision support, as BA need to do. Very low impact. So there is no problem about this P. How to stay relevant as a business analyst? See, develop hybrid skills, mix business data and tech skills like SQL, data visualization. Maybe future, if you want to know about basics of Python also, you can. And familiar with ChatGPT, Power Automate, and BI platforms. That is the reason I am including what? Power BI, visualization tool. Power BI is a visualization tool. Excel is also a visualization tool. Get closer to business strategies. Emphasize your soft skills. That means communication skills you need to develop. Bottom line, AI will not replace business analysts, but BAs who embrace AI will replace those who don't. That means BAs are not able to implement this BA tools usage, not able to use these AI tools, then they will replace by some other person who are knowledge about both BA and what are the latest AI tools. If you have that knowledge, then you no need to worry. If someone will have only core business analyst knowledge, definitely they will replace by others who have knowledge on AI tools, SQL and Excel. So definitely they will replace. That is the reason this is a future expectation by AI. But present I already included this in our course. That is the reason Excel, SQL, JIRA tool, Trello, UML diagrams and Power BI reporting also I am including here. If you have this knowledge, and along with that, where we use AI also, I will discuss on that particular topic itself. For documentation, how AI will help you. For UML diagrams, how AI will help. For Excel or SQL, how AI will help. Each and every tool we will discuss how effectively you can use AI, what type of AI tools you need to use for so and so particular task also we will discuss, guys. And the another question people need to ask, sir, what about the job opportunities? Is a definitely expected question. So I will show you what are the opportunities available in present, guys. Just last 2 to 3 months, I am showing. June, July, August, September till today, there are 4 opportunities, guys. So which are in the market? I am not force any student to apply so and so particular job. So we have a group. Directly we will share to the group who are interested, they can apply. These are mixed, guys. For freshers, experienced, few are a combination. Anyone can apply, fresher or experienced. Few companies will ask 5 years experience, 10 years experienced people, 10 to 12 years experience, 5 to 8 years experience, like that. Or few people will ask fresher or experience. Any candidate you can share with me. So based on your profile, your ratio, they will take you for the job and they will discuss about salary. Okay. Sir, is it real or not? If anyone having a doubt, I'll show you along with that company link, guys. So date wise, company name, designation, what is the experience? See, 0 to 3 years. Even recent, we see August recent also, fresher or experience, anyone can apply. 0 to 2 years. So for only for freshers, 2 to 8 years, 1 to 3, 1 plus experience, or anyone, fresher or experience, 4 plus years, 0 to 1. So we have multiple openings, guys. 2 to 4, 7 to 10, 5 to 8, 8 plus 4 to 7, 9 to 14 years also having an opportunities. And this is directly a link of company. We are not force anyone. There is no third party involved. Who are involved for you? You and directly company. Because last time also one of the students said that, sir, that company snacks are not good. I don't want to join in that company. Okay, it is your choice. You are joining for snacks or salary, I don't know. Someone said, sir, it is very long from my home. Who will establish a company next to your house? That are silly reasons, but okay, it's up to students only. I am not force anyone. I strongly believe one thing, guys. In my 10 years of experience, I am telling you, depend on your skill. Then no one will beat you. So if you are weak in your skill, learn and update. Be up to the mark. Then automatically you will get into the job. And before that, you need to choose whether you are selecting the right skill or not. Okay. If you ask about fee particulars also, I will tell you here. fee is actually 20,000 guys, but we are charging only 15,000 for all tools. 2 to 2.5 months course, almost 2 months plus only it will take. So 15,000 rupees we are charging for whole program. And what we include. So every day you will receive live plus recording guys. Even complete course is in the same basis. Well, not every day. Complete course, live plus recording if you want to attend live or recording. After live class, within 15 minutes, you will receive recording. So the process, downloading and everything, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, you will receive your record. And practice sheets or tasks you will get in a daily basis, and topic wise or daily class notes will share you in the form of topic wise material guys. So whatever we discuss, you people want to maintain your running notes, that's very good. You can maintain it. If not, I will share you topic wise material directly to your hand. Okay, now you people can access it. And I already told you, weekend we need to go for exams or tasks. We are going to conduct. And after course, you have to do a project, and we have mock interviews. Then course completed, certificate also you will receive. You will receive a course completed certificate, and always my guidance is there for you guys. If you attend any job, sir, which type of questions they ask, sir, I am unable to answer this question, or this particular area I am confusing, come and discuss with me. I will give you guidance. Guidance is always provided guys for you. No need to hesitate. Even recording as this also, not even 1 month, 2 months, 1 year or 2 years. If you want to use, you can use. Even 1 year is also a very heavy deadline. You people can do hard work this 2.5 months. Another 2.5 months, if you spend, you are become 100% perfect. But maybe after joining in the company, also some people ask it out. That is the reason I am giving 2 years access for recordings also. If there is no that borderline, people will have negligence. That is the reason maximum borderline I am giving you 2 years. You can use it. That is not only one time or two times. Any number of times if you want, you can view. There is no limit for view access. If you want 100 times, 500 times, 1,000 times, your wish. There is no limit. Any number of times you can use. Okay. And sir, after classes, I have missed so and so classes. I want to join again. Within 6 months, you can attend live classes for 2 batches or 3 batches also. Even after your batch completed, till you want to attend one more time as a revision, still you can attend, no issues. No need to pay anything extra. And along with this, I will take another few sessions for you guys. One is resume preparation. Resume plays a major role nowadays. So even 2 or 3 persons applied at the same time, only one person received a call. Why? Because depend on resume only. Resume preparation session. And what are the biggest mistake they will take, how to make a proper resume, everything I will take. And you need to maintain a LinkedIn profile in a better way, guys. LinkedIn profile creation and optimization. How many have LinkedIn accounts, how you are updating every time. I know some of the people use it like a Instagram. No, LinkedIn is completely for professional purpose. How to create in a professional way, how to maintain, I will take a session. And All practice works nowadays people can't do in a single page resumes. Nowadays ATS friendly resumes. Computer will scan your resumes. AI will filter. So single page resumes are having high score always. So you need to maintain it. Sir, I have 5 years of experience or I did 5 projects. How I can arrange in a single page? No, you need to use a portal called GitHub. GitHub repository, you need to use it. How to use this? No need to learn complete GitHub, guys. How to use GitHub to add your practice works, your certifications, your projects to add, and how to fetch it in your resume. Everything I will take a session. Okay, this three I will take in a part of it, guys. Okay, now I am not charging anything. Single fee for my students where they need to fail. I want to guide them. That is the reason I am taking these 3 sessions also for you. This is based on completely my personal interest, guys. It is not about course curriculum or nothing. This is my personal interest too. If you people are learned by me, if you are fail or not able to do something, I want to guide them to make you perfect and not try to lose any opportunities. Where you are failing, I am guiding. That's it. Now, any questions or queries, if you have, you people can ask me, or contact also I will give you guys for any doubt. I'll give you my mail ID here itself. So my name is Narendra. You people can call me. So I'll drop my mail ID. excelbinary@gmail.com, and contact our team. So I will give you their mobile numbers also. You people can contact them. So you can just call her as Mahalakshmi. Then she will guide you. So this is also a AB chain training number. You can call and just inform as course related BA. BA or business analyst, you can mention any word, they will connect and they will give you in a proper answers. So you need to mention a subject line. Even you can drop your message also, they will give you reply. Okay, but make sure better to mention the subject called BA or business analyst. If you mention along with your query, they will give you reply. Now, any person have any queries, you people can ask me now. Here I will close recording also.